that we will be using some palettes. We'll be using Sephora single eyeshadow. We will be mixing it with the SFR Color Glow 40 eyeshadows, and we'll be using the silver shimmer for this. So let's get started. Alright guys, we have been using the primer which is Malio Photo Finish primer, and I have used Pond's light moisturizer for my skin. Now we will be using this Swiss Beauty concealer over the eyelids, because we will be completing the eyeshadow first. So guys, let's put this this concealer over the eyelid for the eyeshadow, and we will be blending it out with the damp sponge. Right, so guys, with the help of this fluffy eyeshadow brush, this fluffy angular eyeshadow brush, I will be taking this creamish color right into the brush, dusting off the excess, and forming the base of the eyeshadow first, and very gently into the crease and blend it out. Guys, I don't have the lipstick on. It's the Maybelline lip balm that I'm wearing, because I like to prime my lips before I apply the lipstick. Now same we'll be doing to the other eye. Alright, with the help of this pencil brush, this pencil eyeshadow brush, I will be picking this very light skin brownish sort of a shade, and I will be placing it here below the eyebrow. And similarly to the other side. Now guys, I'll be taking the Sephora eyeshadow. I believe it's the shade is missing, guys. So we'll be using this shadow in the outer corners first. So I'm taking it over this very angular fluffy brush again, and very gently blending it out into the crease.
I've been painting every fence I know, every color pleasing to the same. 'Cause before you go and walk away, yeah, you better know where you're going. You're a wanderer just like me.
And similarly to the other side. Guys, once we have done that, we'll be picking this indigo sort of a blue again into the brush, and going into the same crease line. The blue on the outer edges of the eye needs to be blended out quite nicely. Now post this, we will be taking this navy blue. Alright, so guys, when you've reached this stage, dust off the excess, because yes, this palette does have some kick-off and it does have some fallout too. Now we'll be cleaning the excess. Alright. Now post this, we will be doing the cut crease of the eyes. Alright, very same Swiss Beauty concealer and this very cute brush from Studio West, and we will start cutting the crease. and similarly onto the other side. We've cut the crease. इसको अब हम थोड़ा सा सूखने देंगे, थोड़ा सा ड्राई ऑफ हो जाए, then we will put out, then we'll stick on the silver pigment. Let me tell you guys, you have to choose pigment, and it's very easy to work with pigments which already have the base to it, the sticky base to it, and it's very easy to glide on to the lids and very easy to stick as well, rather than putting the very dusty powdery glitters. They're very difficult to use, so just go on for these type of glitters. Now we'll be putting it over the lid.
Every color bleeds into the same. 'Cause before you go and walk away,
Mind it, we are putting it over the center part of the lid, okay? Not over the entire lid. Guys, so from this SFR palette, I am choosing this turquoise praline shade, and I'll be putting it here from the inner corners to the portion I don't have glitter. Okay, and similarly you can do it to this side as well. So guys, we're done with the shadow and applying the turquoise on the inner corners. I'm taking this Wet n Wild palette and black from this palette and very gently darkening up the blue on the outer area, the outer V. And you need to be cautious, you don't have to disturb the glitter. Okay, and to this side as well, very gently darkening the blue. Okay, if you need, you should clean your brush as well. Okay, alright, so guys, we have put the lashes on, we have darkened the outer corners. Now we'll be putting on the liner, and for the liner I'm using and I'll be reviewing this very first time, Music Flower Longwear Gel Eyeliner. So there are two tubs here. They come with these two brush applicators, and they have variants in this. One is black and the other one is blue. It comes with black and brown as well. So we are using this gel eyeliner today to complete the look. Alright, so guys, for the excess fallout, I am using this Sephora Watermelon face wipes, and I am cleaning off the excess from my face, because sparkles and everything, they do tend to fall. Very nicely, just I am taking off everything, and then we'll start off with the rest of the face. Alright, so for foundation, I am taking Maybelline Super Stay 24 Hours matte foundation, and this is the shade 310. So I am very gently putting it onto my face wherever it is needed the most. I am applying more of the foundation, and I'll be blending this out with using a damp sponge. Alright guys, I'm done with the foundation. Now I'm taking this kohl, and I am just applying it into the outer corner of the lower lash line till here only, and I'll blend this out. And for the rest of the lash, I am using this Sephora kajal, blue color kajal, onto the rest of the eye. Alright. This is Sephora Colorful Contour Eye Pencil 12-hour waterproof, and the shade is blue. Okay. So guys, I have used this bright pinkish purplish shade on the lips, and just to lighten and provide some lightening it up in the center portion of the lips. And for that I am using this Maybelline Color Jolt. For the eyebrows I'll be using the Essence Dark Brown eyebrow pencil, and let's fill my eyebrows up and shape them up properly. I haven't done my eyebrows since long now because of the lockdown. It's a very good product actually, very underrated though, but very nice product. So guys, now time for the blush.